Good afternoon, students. Welcome to our Vidyabhushan English Primary School, Dahisar East, Online Studies, Standard 3. Myself, Mrs. Ankita Ananta Katta. Today our subject is English and we are going to learn our next lesson. Dr. Dolittle learns animal language. In this lesson we have three characters: Dr. Dolittle, parrot Polynesia, and dog Jeep. Now listen, doctor, said Polynesia, and I will let you something. Did you know that animals can talk? I knew that parrots can talk, said the doctor. Oh, we parrots can talk in two languages, people's language and birds' language, said Polynesia proudly. If I say Polly wants a biscuit, you understand me. But hear this. Kaka oi e fee fee. Good gracious, cried the doctor. What does that mean? That means, is the porridge hot yet? In birds' language. My, you don't say so, said the doctor. You never talked that way to me before. What would have been the good? Said Polynesia, dusting some biscuit crumbs off her left wing. You wouldn't have understood me if I had. Tell me some more, said the doctor, all excited, and he rushed over to the dresser drawer and came back with a notebook and a pencil. Now, don't go too fast. I will write it down. This is interesting, very interesting, something quite new. Give me the bird's ABC first. Slowly now. So that was the way the doctor came to know that animals had a language of their own and could talk to one another. And all that afternoon, while it was raining, Polynesia sat on the kitchen table giving him bird words to put down in the notebook. At tea time, when the dog Jeep came in, the parrot said the doctor, "See, he is talking to you." Looks to me as though he were scratching his ear, said the doctor. But animals don't always speak with their mouths, said the parrot in a high voice, raising her eyebrows. They talk with their ears, with their feet, with their tails, with everything. Sometimes they don't want to make a noise. Do you see now the way he is twitching up one side of his nose? What does that mean? Asked the doctor. That means, can't you see that it was stopped raining? Polynesia answered. He is asking you a question. Dogs nearly always use their nose for asking questions. After a while, with the parrot's help, the doctor got to learn the language of the animals so well that he could talk to them himself and understand everything they said. Then he gave up being a people's doctor altogether. Now, children, here some meanings are given. Hard words. Porridge. A dish consisting of oatmeal or cereal boiled in water or milk. Dusting off. Remove dirt or dust from something. Dresser. A cupboard with shelves, drawers, etc. Birds ABC. The alphabet of birds' language. Simple, basic information about birds' language. Thank you.